In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a YouTube embed without a title, YouTube logo, related videos, and more. In this example, we're going to use an app called Vid Sharpei. You can find the link in the description. Now, let's get started. This is Vid Sharpei. By default, it's empty, no embeds yet. Let's fix that by adding our first video. Click Create your first embed to get started. Head over to YouTube and find the video you want to embed. I'll use this free sample clip, Big Buck Bunny. You can copy the share link. Or open the video and copy the link. This YouTube link is all Vid Sharpei needs. Back in Vid Sharpei, paste that link into the new embed field. Click Create Embed. It checks that the video can actually be embedded, then takes you straight to the player settings. This is where the magic happens. You get a full preview on the left, and on the right, every setting that controls how the player looks and behaves. No YouTube logo, no video title, no suggested videos anywhere in sight, because this isn't the YouTube player. It's your own clean player. Start with your accent color. This becomes the play button and progress bar color, so match it to your brand. Then decide on the playback behavior, autoplay, start muted, loop the video, and whether to show a playback speed button. You can also set a start time in seconds, handy if you only want to show a specific part of the video. Once everything looks right, click Save Changes. Now let's put it on an actual page. Here's a sample blog post in WordPress with no video yet. Add a new blog. Choose Custom HTML and paste in the embed snippet Vid Sharpei gave you on the settings page. That's it. Save or update the post. And here's the published page. Clean player, our own accent color, and the video plays right in the article. Notice what's missing. No YouTube logo in the corner, no video title bar, and when you pause or scrub through it, there's no related videos, no end screen suggestions, none of the usual YouTube distractions pulling visitors away from your page. One more thing worth knowing. Back in your embed settings, there's an end card you can set up. I'll type "book a call" as the button text and link it to wherever you want people to go. So when the video finishes, viewers get a call to action pointing back to you instead of more YouTube content. Save that, and your embed is done. Clean, on brand, and fully under your control.